Fencing just got faster. No hoses, no gas, all cordless. The DeWalt 20-volt utility fencing stapler. Drive 9-gauge galvanized staples up to 2 inches long with speed and accuracy, right from a 20-volt battery. Just seat the wire on the nose notch and pull the trigger. That's it. 6 times faster than manual stapling at 2 staples per second, and 600 staples per charge with a 20-volt battery, and no gas canisters needed. Tuned for the field, tool-free depth adjustment and jam-clearing latch, an LED work light and a manual trigger lock, reversible belt hook, and glove-friendly touch points. It staples cable and wire too and runs on the same 20-volt platform you already use with all your other DeWalt tools. Branch and egg fencing on wood posts, field fence, hot wire runs, or utility line work securing copper ground wire and perimeter fence. It does it all. Seat it, staple it, done.